The Lord Jesus Christ alone can satisfy your heart. No other things, no other person, no other position, no another achievement, how great it is. Only the Lord Jesus Christ. Nung sabi niya, I am the bread of life. He who comes to me will not go hungry. And he who believes in me will not go thirsty. So ano pong sinasabi niya? Siya lamang daw po makakapagbigay sa atin ng satisfaction. Complete, full satisfaction ng puso. Wala na pong iba. At upang ito po ay ma-enjoy natin, kinakailangan si Jesus po araw at gabi ay panabikan natin. He who comes to me in a deep intimacy, in a deep communion, in a deep fellowship, will never go hungry. Bibigyan ka niya ng satisfaction. And he who believes in me, that they will receive when they come to me in earnest, deep communion, intimacy and fellowship, will never be thirsty. So, ang ibig sabihin, hindi ka na makakaramdam ng dissatisfaction. But you will be fully satisfied. The answer is your communion, personal intimacy with Jesus Christ. Siya lang ang pwedeng magbigay ng malaking kasiyahan sa puso. And the moment you desire the Lord, deeply, earnestly, sincerely, with your whole being, as you express your love to Him, and then He will meet you. He will satisfy your longing. He will satisfy your tears. He will satisfy your hunger. Hindi magbibigay sa iyo ng pisang kotse, bahay, lupa, posisyong pesto, doctorate. Jesus said in John 14:27, sa akin meron kayong kapayapaan. Hindi nyo napansin, by experience, pagka kayo nagkukumune sa Lord ng malalim na communion, saan ka man nakatira, yung lugar na kinalalagay mo ay puno ng peace. Because the presence of God is peace. No one has the power to bother you, to make you worrying, to make you fearful. Kaya ito yung reason bakit ito yung unang utos. Mark 12:30, ibigin nyo ang Panginoon yung Diyos ng buong puso, buong lakas, buong kaloob at buong pag-iisip. Sapagkat gustong ibigay ng Lord sa atin ang satisfaction. Hanggang dumating po tayo sa reality, sa ating pong senses at understanding, out of experience, natanggapin ang katotohanan, si Jesus lang ang pwede pang paligaya sa atin. Habang panahon. Pwede ka magkaroon ng 5 luxury car, 10 mansyon, hektaryang lupa, ang daming diploma, posisyong pwesto. Pero, maghahanap ka pa rin. Eh, hindi mo pa natatamo ang totoong satisfaction ng puso. But when you love the Lord, He will satisfy you.